curls flourishing? Ain't they thriving? We are 30, flirty, and thriving. You know what I'm saying? Psych. This is a wig. This is a headband wig from Wequeen hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to style it and how to slay out here in these streets. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I styled this wig and all of the different looks that you can get with these really versatile headband wigs, let's go ahead and jump on into today's video. Like I mentioned, this video is being sponsored by Wequeen, and I want to quickly show you guys how the wig is going to come to you in the mail and how it's packaged. Here is the packaging for the wig. Inside the box will obviously be your wig, but I've taken the wig out. I will show you guys that in just a second. I'm going to show you guys a few of the goodies that they send along with the wigs. In this little bundle, I have all the headbands that come with the style that I purchased. They do offer about 3 different headband styles, which is really nice. You can get something that suits you and your style. I decided to go with the sweater headband style. This one is like a chocolate, really pretty deep brown color. This one is like a hunter green, which is really pretty, and I love that. And then we have a mustard, which I'm obsessed with, and it goes perfectly for the fall season. And then this really pretty deep red, like a cranberry color. Also inside the box, you're going to get a few wig caps. You can never have too many of those. They also came with a really pretty satin bag for you to store your wig in, so that way it doesn't get tangled or messed up, because you definitely want to store your human hair wigs in a really nice package so that way they will last longer. And then it does come with a few informational cards as well for how to take care of your wig, how to store your wig, how to wash it, and all that. So here is the wig. I have washed it, so this is not what it looks like straight out of the box. It is a lot fluffier, but I do recommend you washing your wigs before you try them on. I have the deep curly headband wig in 20 inches, so here is what that looks like. And as far as the cap construction goes, you get a nice solid black headband that does Velcro, and this is what you will use to secure your wig around the back of your neck. It does come with 3 combs. There's 2 on the left and right hand side. There's a comb in the middle and a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. I will use the products that I use to wash this wig down below in the description box if you guys are interested. And I did just let it air dry, and this is what it's looking like. I'm absolutely loving it, and I can't wait to try it on. So let's go ahead and get right on into the styling portion of this video. That's it. As you guys can tell, these headband wigs take little to no effort to install. There's no lace, no plucking required, no melting of any kind needed. These are a true plop and go, and that is a rarity until now when it comes to human hair wigs. I'm gonna go ahead and try on each of the headbands with this wig, and I'll also show you guys a few styles that you can do. You could do top knots, buns, low ponytails, half up, half down. Ooh, I'm excited. I think the first headband that I'm going to try on is this burgundy. I love the quality. It's definitely nice and thick. And I picked out this bundle because I'm a fall girl. I love fall, and these colors were speaking to me. So yeah, I'm really excited. As you guys can tell, this wig is not going anywhere. It is secured on my head. You could use a wig grip for added security. The headband that you get with this wig is so nice and comfortable. It's almost like a satin-ish feel, so you don't have to worry about it rubbing on your hair and causing any friction or anything like that and potentially losing your edges, because girl, gotta keep them edges. It is still very secure, so you don't have to worry about your wig slipping and falling off during the day, because we all know that's not a look. And then obviously adding on the fashion headbands add a little bit more security as well, and also a little bit more flair, and you can coordinate with your outfit and get real cute, which I love. I am really loving this wig. The curls feel so buttery soft. And all I did was add in a little bit of leave-in conditioner after I washed and conditioned this hair before trying it on. So I'm really happy with how the curls look. They clump together really nicely. Y'all can't tell me nothing in this headband wig, okay? Like, this is about to be my work wig. You can style this wig in multiple different ways. You could braid it, you could get real creative, or you can just wear it like this. I'm kind of loving this like flip over. Yes, because it's in my face, but not in my face because of the headband. You know what I'm saying? Did that make any sense? You can leave your edges out and do your baby hairs however you want to, or you can use the headbands to cover up your or you could use the headbands to cover your whole entire hairline and just feature the wig itself. And I love that because y'all know I am brand new when it comes to the whole baby hair gang. So I'm trying. I think I'm doing okay, but on those days where it don't turn out, I'm gonna put a headband over my edges, you know what I'm saying, and keep it pushing. Get on the headband wig train so you can live your best life, because this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. It don't get better than this. All of the details and specs about this unit will be down below in the description bar, as well as a link for you to purchase. If I have any coupon codes, I will leave them down below as well. Thank you so much to Wequeen for sponsoring today's video and working with your girl. I really appreciate it. If you like this video and you want to see more headband wigs here on my channel, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video.